Hey everybody, this is TRY Tutuburinyan, and I'm going to show you how to water propagate Gardenia, which is locally known as Rosal in the Philippines. Now earlier I made some cuttings and here's the video of it. Now when preparing the cuttings, it is best to cut or trim the bottom stem 5 mm below the node, like this. Then remove some of the leaves since most of the water will be lost through the leaves. Now in this demonstration, we're going to use a dark opaque container to make the roots grow faster, but you can also use clean soda bottles. Then pour some tap water in the container, only enough to submerge an inch of the stems of our gardenias. Then place the cuttings in the container. Now it'll take about 3 to 4 weeks for the roots to grow, and please don't put them in direct sunlight and replace the water every week. Take note though that the roots may grow from the cut part or the nodes. Now these cuttings are different from the ones I showed earlier. This one is after 2 weeks. And this one is after 3 weeks. And this one is after 4 weeks. And this one is after 6 weeks. Now after 4 weeks, we can already plant them in soil, or when our gardenias have developed around 2 inches of roots. Remember to water our newly planted gardenias and plant them in semi-shaded areas for 5 to 6 days before placing them in direct sunlight. And that's it. That's how easy it is to water propagate gardenias. Happy gardening! TRY Tutuburinyan.